At this stage, we have 7 major classification society approvals. So the technology of the drone meets the expectations of the class societies because it flies, the visuals are extremely good. The thickness measurement equipment does also meet the technical requirements. And there's lighting on board. There are no other alternatives for the areas which we would like to inspect than the Elios 3 with UT payload. My name is David Knukkel. I'm a drone coordinator at 3DTS, and I coordinate all drone inspections within the maritime industry, but also onshore installations. 3DTS is a non-destructive testing company which are doing UTM, there's thickness measurements, but they do a lot of other non-destructive testing as well. The Elios 3 is a drone in a cage, and it can take UT measurements, but it can also take the close-up visuals. The UT tool for the Elios 3 is very useful. In the past, we could only offer the visuals, but traditional methods for thickness measurements were still required. So we lost a lot of assignments because for the thickness measurements, we still need to have rope access. Or now the Elios 3 is combining it. Certification in the maritime industry it's the key to open the doors. In general, for remote inspection, they call it RIT, which is remote inspection technology. The RIT certification is more related to the close-up visuals, where you do a visual inspection of an area. The thickness measurement certification is related to the traditional thickness measurements by hand of the construction. But you also have to be certified for using drones. And by doing practical demonstrations, we prove to the classification societies that the technology is mature enough, it is secure enough. At this stage, we have 7 major classification society approvals. We are certified for DNV, ABS, Lloyd's Register, Burea Veritas, we have RINA, ClassNK and KRS. Well, the benefits of using the drone in the maritime industry is that it is safer, no tank entries are required anymore. It's more cost efficient, we can reduce the usage of alternative methods dramatically.